What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel, H&S Pyro Fever. Like and subscribe. So anyways, we got a demo we're going to do for you guys tonight. First, we're going to shoot the strobing Roman candles, 5-ball, performance, high bright long silver strobe to crackle, bright long silver strobe to pearl and strobe. Then we're going to shoot the black cats, the premium black cat assortment. We got premium comets, fish, glitter, and stars as well. Then we're going to shoot our little can of worms. This is a cool little cake. It's bad to the bone. Then we're going to shoot our chamber pot. Then we're going to shoot we're going to have a competition, the Proud Peacock from Miracle Fireworks versus Medusa Black Cat. Okay. Then we're going to shoot Liberal Tears by PYRO Box. And then we're going to shoot Surfs Up by Sunwing Fireworks. Stay tuned. I'm pretty excited about this. Tell my wife to pick out some demo stuff. She picked it out all right. No, I'm just kidding. We'll help you enjoy it. All right, first up, we're going to shoot strobe Roman candles. These come in a 2-pack. It's from Fireworks Complex. Let's see what she does. There's the first one. Okay, now we got this next one. These are black cats. This is Comet Premium. Next, we got glitter. We have stars. This is one of my favorite effects. Fish.
Oh, that's neat. That is so cool.
All right. Next, we're going to do Chamber Pot by Miracle Fireworks.
That is very pretty. I like that. That's cool.
Yeah, people. All right, so now we're gonna shoot Can of Worms non-shot by Fire Factory. Y'all see this little cake? Superstore or wherever, pick it up. All right, guys, we got the comparison of, go grab it real quick, of the Proud Peacock by Miracle Fireworks versus
Whoa,
Medusa by Black Cat. We'll shoot this one first. Let us know in the comments which one you think is the best. Good, Mike. We're gonna shoot Liberal Tears by Pyro Box Fireworks. Let's do this. So that was Liberal Tears. If y'all see that, pick it up. Liberal Tears. This firework, this was good. Holy smokes. The comets coming out of that were huge. So now we're gonna shoot the last grand finale here for you by Sunwing Fireworks. Surfs Up, picked out by Haley. All right, guys, subscribe and like our channel. That was Surfs Up and Liberal Cheers. Don't forget to vote which one you thought had the best fountain. Like I said, subscribe.
Oh,
what?
my bad. I was just gonna rename the fountains.
Oh, good.
There was Proud Peacock and Medusa. Drop your vote down below.
Yep. So y'all have a good night. See ya.